untidy, it's disgusting, and it's classed as a public place, so it should be banned. Show around to the children of smoking on the power smoke on the beach is really not good for their environment. We should take more care of their environment on their beaches.
The beach is for where kids to play and I don't think so.
Cigarette butts in 20 minutes, plus all that litter on a really cold December day.
What's the grossest thing you ever found on the beach?
Cigarette. Underwear.
So in 29 days, in 20 minutes at a time, we've collected 11,594 cigarette butts off of Wrightsville Beach.